Hello everyone. Today's topic is family. Before this, in the previous video, we were studying taxonomy. In taxonomy, we studied taxa, taxon, then taxonomic categories, starting with the species, wherein you have studied different kind of species, okay? And then genus, a group of related species is the genus, okay? And next is the family. Okay, so species, starting with the species, genus, and now is the family. The third taxon or the third rank in the taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, so family. A family is a group of related genera with less similarities. What does it mean? It means when the genus or the generas are somehow related in some characteristics, so they are put in a same family. Okay, so like the same species can be put in the same genus. Similarly, same genus can be put in the same family. Okay, so what we see here the basic characteristic in terms of plants, okay, the vegetative and the reproductive feature. So example is Solanum is a genus, Petunia is a genus, Datura is also a genus. सोलेनम में आपने स्टडी करा था सोलेनम ट्यूबरिज्म यानी कि पोटैटो, सोलेनम मिलेंगेना मीन्स ब्रिंजल, एंड देन सोलेनम निग्रम मीन्स द मकोई. उसकी 3 स्पीशीज आपने पढ़ी थी और जीनस था सोलेनम. पिट्यूनिया, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी न्यू जीनस, अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा. इन दिस पिट्यूनिया और द मोस्टली द फ्लावर्स द ऑर्नामेंटल फ्लावर्स जो सजावट के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, पिट्यूनिया वो आते हैं. And then Datura, you all must be very well aware with this term, Datura. So these 3 are different genus, okay? So these 3 different genus has some similarities. So basis of some similarities, especially their flower structure, their flower. So similarity because of their flower and their vegetative part like leaves, branches. So vegetative part means the part other than reproductive part. एंड द फ्लावर इज अ रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. तो फ्लावर के अलावा जो पार्ट है उनके सिमिलैरिटीज के बेसिस पर these 3 genus Solanum, Petunia and Datura, these 3 genus are put in the same family Solanaceae. So this is the example of a plant. Next, let's take one example of animal too. So genus, we have already seen genus Panthera, wherein lion, Panthera leo, leopard, Panthera pardus एंड टाइगर, Panthera tigris. तो 3 तरीके की स्पीशीज आपने पढ़ी थी. ओके, दे आर पुट इन द सेम जीनस Panthera. फाइन. वन मोर जीनस Felis. Felis is the genus of cat. Okay, so this Felis and Panthera are 2 different genus. Felis is a genus of cat and Panthera is a genus of lion, leopard and tiger. 2 different genus, but if you see, you will find some common characteristic, cat and lion में. You will find that they are, mostly their body structure, their design are somehow very much similar. Okay, their eating habits, their paws, their claws, their body hair. So the pattern of the body hair, the stripes on the cat body. Okay, so somehow they are very much related to each other. So basis of their similarities, the Felis means the cat genus, Panthera means the lion leopard genus. These 2 genus are put in the same family Felidae. So Felidae is the family of cat as well as lion, leopard and tiger. That is why it is called as cat family. Okay, cat family में हम पढ़ते हैं कि lion lion is a member of the cat family. That is why it is called as cat family. Okay, so in plants we have seen the example of Solanaceae and in animals the Felidae. Okay, one more family is given in the book, Canidae. Canidae is the family of dog. So remember, the family of cat is Felidae while the family of dog is the Canidae, and the biological name of dog is Canis lupus. Okay, and the biological name of cat is Felis. That's That is why it is named as the phallus. Okay. So next is the order. After the family, the order comes. Order means the next rank after the family. Let's take a quick recap. Okay. So starting from here, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris, Panthera pallidus are three different species. They are put in the same genus Panthera. Similarly, Phallus. Okay, Phallus domestica means cat common name. Okay, these two are different genus. The Panthera and the Phallus are put in the same family, which is Fallidae. Okay, then Fallidae is put in the order Carnivora. Now let's see Carnivora में Fallidae के अलावा और कौन सी family रखी गई है. See here, Canidae. I already told you this is the family of dog. So the family of dog and the family of cat, the cat family and the dog family, basis of some similarities, they are put in the same order, Carnivora. Okay, so the next hierarchy level is the order. In order, okay, so what is an order? Order means a group of related families. Okay, so in plants, you have seen the family Solanaceae, right? One more family, Convolvulaceae. What is Convolvulaceae family? Solanaceae में तो आपने पढ़ा है, इसमें potato, brinjal and ये mccoy means Solanum nigrum, ये सब आते हैं. Convolvulaceae family is a very new family for you. So Convolvulaceae family जो है इसमें ज़्यादातर मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी फ्लावर आते हैं. द फ्लावर्स विच ब्लूम्स इन द मॉर्निंग एंड आई थिंक आजकल सभी के घरों में ये फ्लावर्स होते हैं. यू आर वेरी वेरी मच फैमिलियर ऑफ दीज. ओके, सो these two families, Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae, are put in the same order. The order is Polymoniales. Okay, the order is Polymoniales. So two different families are put in the same order. Why I am saying here different? Because there are some characteristics which might not be matching with these two families each other, but there are some characteristics which are common in these two families. So on the basis of the common characteristics, these two families are put in the same order. Similarly, in the animals, okay, the order Carnivora, okay, has the families like Fallidae and the Canidae. Canidae means the dog family, Fallidae means the cat family. Both are put under the order Carnivora. Why Carnivora? Because Carnivora means carnivorous. Okay, so flesh eating. Canidae means the dogs are also flesh eating, while the Fallidae means the cat, they are also flesh eating. They are carnivores in the nature, so they are put in the same order, Carnivora. Next up is the class. So what is a class? Class is the group of related orders. The orders which are common in the characteristics can be put in the same class. Okay, example, order Primata. Order Primata has monkey, gorilla and gibbon is placed in class Mammalia. So order Primata has monkey, gorilla, gibbon. Okay, these are the apes. Monkey, gorilla, gibbon, all are the apes. You know this already. Is put in the class Mammalia along with order Carnivora. This order Carnivora we just now studied here. Okay, Carnivora order में हमने पढ़ा था Fallidae and Canidae, दो families. So order Carnivora is the order of the cat, dog, tiger, leopard, while the order Primata is the order of monkey, gorilla, gibbon. But now they all are put in the same class. The class is the Mammalia. Mammalia means mammals, and they all are mammals. And who are mammals? Those who have the mammary gland, and they feed their young ones by their mammary glands. Okay, that is why this is named as Mammalia. They are mammals because of presence of their mammary gland, and also they give birth to the babies. So all the members you see Primata, monkey give birth, gorilla give birth, gibbon, and similarly Carnivora members means cat family and the dog family. They also give birth and they also have mammary glands. The female possesses the mammary gland and they nourish the young one with the mammary glands. So or because of the presence of the mammary gland, and because they are mammals, they are put in the class Mammalia. Okay, so now the tiger, cat, dog, and in fact even the human being, we are also mammals. We all are same. We all are in the same class. The class is Mammalia. Okay, so we are also the member of class Mammalia along with cat. Okay, cat, dog, and gibbon, gorilla. Next up is the phylum. Phylum means a group of related class. In class 9th, you must have studied about some phylums like fishes, phylum amphibians, reptile, birds, phylum chordata, non-chordata. So this is the phylum. In animals, it is called as phylum, while in plants, the phylum is named as division. Both are same thing, it's just the names are different. So in animal it is called as the phylum, while in plants it is called as division. Okay.